In this video, we will be doing some speed runs with the Wltoys 104001. This time as a 6S speedrun car. When I got the car I put in a 3S system in it, and it was a fun nibble little buggy. Top speed was about 73 km per hour and it bashed pretty good with the brushless system in it. At one point I even tried a 9000 kV motor. A little too much for the poor 80 mpsc. Rest in peace. But as I watched others on YouTube making little Wltoys RCs into speedrunning machines, I got the need for speed.
119. World's fastest. Woo!
So I decided to put in a 6S ESC. Mod 1 spur. External battery trays. Front splitter. Rear wing. And put on some foam tires. Thanks to Michael Kobe for supplying me with the mods. First up we'll test with a 22-tooth pinion gear. And then finish up with a 27-tooth pinion gear. Can we break 100 miles per hour?
Or 160 kilometers per hour as we say in Norway?
Let's go, buddy. How fast can I make the 104001 go on 6S with a 22-tooth pinion gear? Let's find out.
$165.
165 kilometers per hour, or 103 miles per hour. Pretty okay time for this little buggy. I did not get any higher speeds that evening. I got a couple of 163 kilometers per hour runs. And the girlfriend stopped by. She was cold and cranky, but cheered up when she got to try the scooter designed for 2-year-olds. Let's gear it up to 27-tooth pinion gear and try again tomorrow. It is the next day, all geared up. 27-tooth pinion gear is mounted and we are ready to go. I wanted to stand close to the start to avoid getting the low sun in my eyes. Was that a good idea? Both yes and no. I didn't get the sun in my eyes, but it made it hard to see the end of the road. Too late on the brakes. No more road and tumble-wumble on the grass. Is the car still good? No damage to the car. Yeah baby. Let's head back to check the speed. The car is still okay. Hee hee. (181 kilometers per hour, 112.5 miles per hour, mamacita. That's a new PB. Crazy speed with that little thing. Let's try one more time, and try not to get stuck in the grass. The car returned successfully. Let's check the speed. (173 kilometers per hour, 107.5 miles per hour. A legitimate run in the car returning on its own power. Official PB. I gave it one more go, but then both center drive shaft gave out. Rest in peace center drive shafts. The car has more in it. I guess I will need to reinforce the center drive shafts, and do some minor adjustments. The car should be capable of speeds to a little over 120 miles per hour. But it's easier said than done. Thanks for watching.